looking out for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them pop some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be the body.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video I will be showing you this new wig that I got from Myfirstwig.com. This is a beginner's tutorial. This is for anyone that is a beginner at wearing wigs. So I will be demonstrating how I apply this wig at a beginner stage. So if you guys are interested to see this video, then definitely keep watching. So as stated before, this wig is from Myfirstwig.com.
I ain't trying to tell you how to live it life. I don't know. You do what you have to. I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh, but you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. Have to do what you have.
This is exactly how the wig will come to you. I actually have their middle part blunt cut bob. This is a lace front wig. This wig comes with a lot of parting space. It is not your average 4-inch parting space. The parting space is way bigger. Inside of the wig, it does come with 3 combs, 2 combs on the side, as well as a comb in the back, and then it also comes with adjustable straps in the back.
No, closing mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should.
I'm hoping you guys can see this, so that's why I kind of zoomed in so you can see when I cut the lace and the front. You want to make sure that you cut it in a jagged motion. You do not want to cut straight across. Cutting in a jagged motion will definitely make the front hairline of your wig look very natural looking instead of really boxy. So now that I've cut the excess lace, I wanted to show you guys that the next step in making your or applying your wig and making it look even more natural looking is to make sure that that hairline is plucked. You do not want a too dense of a frontal or hairline, but in this case with the Myfirstwig wig that I got, I did not have to pluck the hairline at all. This is exactly how the hairline looked with the wig that I got straight out of the box, so I didn't have to go in and tweeze anything. But you do notice that the next step that you would have to do is you would have to hide those black knots or black dots. So I'm kind of showing you guys that there are black knots or black dots all throughout the frontal of the wig. And in order to do this, most people either bleach the knots, they apply a face powder or a foundation that matches closely to their skin tone, or you can use the Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray to hide the knots. Now, I didn't want to bleach the knots on this wig, so I went in with the Sally Hansen spray, and then I also followed it up with my face powder to hide those black knots.
Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, you know. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, Oh. Oh babe, 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 I'm the girl, tell me how you kept that frown, yeah. All the time that I've been right here with you, you haven't said a word, no. I've been trying so long, baby. I've been trying so long, babe. Yeah, oh yeah. To get that frown up off your face, girl, yeah. Cause I don't like to see my girl like that, no. Whoa. Tell me, was it something I've done? Yeah. Cause I don't want tonight to be a hard one, no. And I just want you to come over here and now, put your arms around me right now. And we ain't gotta worry about nobody else right now. Girl, let's have some fun tonight. Yeah. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Like girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. Girl, I feel love when I take a look at the sky, oh. And I have never been in love this way, oh no. Cause girl, you're so special to me, even if you didn't love me, if you didn't.
So this is basically how the wig looks without any type of baby hairs, but I will show you guys how the wig looks with baby hairs. So
love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Like girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. No. That's the end? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. hope that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not.